Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to collect leads with Landbot in 2026. If you want to capture customer details automatically and grow your business using chatbots, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Landbot account. Next, select or create a chatbot from your dashboard that will be used for lead generation. Now open the chatbot builder and go to the flow where you want to start collecting leads. Next, add a welcome message that clearly explains your offer and encourages users to continue. Now insert input blocks to collect important information like name, email address, phone number, or company name. Next, make key fields required so users must fill them out before proceeding. Now use buttons or quick replies to guide users through the lead capture process smoothly. Next, add a confirmation message or thank you screen once the information is successfully collected. Now connect your chatbot to Google Sheets, CRM tools, or email marketing platforms to store leads automatically. Finally, test your chatbot thoroughly and then publish it so it can start collecting real leads from visitors. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to collect leads with Landbot. Your chatbot is now ready to capture and organize valuable customer information automatically. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.